about that. Getting a bit cold here. 5-9, lovely signal there, Stuart.
Yeah, you're a big singer. You're the biggest in the band, Dennis. You're 25 over in Athlone this evening, sounding good.
Oh, thanks for that. Yeah, I'm getting a lot of stuff here. It's very hard to pick out anybody. There's just so much in there at the moment. It's quite cold at the moment, which is not helping. I just came down at the end of the activation on 40 just to give a couple of calls. But I'm struggling here with myself. It's been cold, but there's just so much signal there at the moment hitting the radio. It's just hard to pick anyone out. But no problem with you, Stuart. No problem at all. 5-9 plus.
Excellent stuff. That's what we like to hear. Good indeed. Yeah, no, we're just up on 20 metres there, and 20 metres is actually quite good as well. But yeah, 40 is good. There's plenty of activity, but they're miles and miles ahead of us now. So you're a big signal, so it's very hard to know what way to skip is, because in one minute you're hearing a lot of Central European stations, and then you're absolutely lifting me out of here. So I don't know what way it's band is. But you should have a bit of fun if you can pick some of them out. You should have a bit of fun there. Let's go ahead.
Yeah, thanks for that, Stuart. Yeah, well, I'm kind of coming up to the end of the activation because I just, it was a lovely day today, it really was, but I'm so cold here at the moment. It's not funny anymore. I only came down just to make 4 or 5 minutes, so it was just, just to round off the numbers here on the logs. But I'll see what I can pick out. Thanks for calling, anyway. I'll maybe spend another 5 or 10 minutes at it and see what I can do in that time. All the best, Stuart. Good luck.
Dennis, best of luck with your activation, and I hope you warm up when you get home. A little hot whiskey might help you out there, very right. But best of luck with your activation, and we'll talk again soon. 7-3, Athlone, bye-bye.
7-3, thanks again. Pure reporter, pass on the air. Echo India 6, India Foxtrot.